No, this look bad. Yo, yeah, this look bad.
Boom, boom, boom. That looks way better. Yo, I got this big ass bump on my fucking face. All right. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. When I look back in my background, this shit look crooked. That shit is. All right, man. All right, let's show y'all the. Let's share the screen. So boom, what's good, baby? Whoa, 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 whoa. So look, I actually got a monitor now, so I can see the comments. It looks clean. It looks very clean. Yeah, we just gonna study today. So today, I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing this a lot recently. I went 2 and 1 today. I really could have just got my like I said, that 1.7 R is really powerful because it don't be sometimes it be hiding because I caught a 2. Let's see, 1.7. Let's see, gold. I think it was on gold. At 1.9. All right, so 1.92, which was no, was it 250? It was like 220. And then I took this L and then what's it called? Like a 171. Beautiful setup, beautiful. Yeah, I want to go through it. Not really. Because I kind of went through it. Today is the day for GJ. I want to see how GJ works in the matter of month of June. I might test EU. I don't know. I'm debating if I should just skip US. It's like I want to keep testing these datas, and or maybe I do, or maybe I want to test all 4. Maybe I could just quickly go through it. I'm gonna test GU first, and then I'm gonna see how I feel. So GU is way different. So damn. Yo. All right, damn, thank you. 30. Got the 5 minute. Let's see. That's why I said I like this for like EI purposes. So what the fuck I be writing? So 6 to 25. I don't know. I don't even know how my setup go. 6 to 25. EI 530 shot and then tree. So all right, let's go. So EI down EI plus 3.3 RR wins. Damn, I'm just forgetting. Wins, losses. Wins. L. 530 through 730. 2 shot. 1.7 RR, everything plus. Oh my god. Plus. Win. Let's just keep it cap. L. Cap. Tree. No, it's what? Plus 1.7 RR. W. L. All right. This is GJ. I'm surprised. I'm thinking Tree is not going to hit as much. I'm thinking EI will hit more. It might look like gold. All right, it don't look nothing like gold. Okay. Thank you. I don't want it to look like. I don't want to trade the same pair because I don't want to trade for. Oh, I was about to say. I don't want to trade correlation pairs. I don't. So I don't want pairs to correlate. It doesn't make sense. To me, it never made sense to trade correlation periods because it's like if it's buying and then you trade in that one and it's buying, it's like either you both gonna lose or you both gonna win. It's like just double up your lot size. I don't really care to trade correlation. So as you can see, the thing I noticed about today is when you take advantage of ranging motions and it comes down here, boom, boom, it's like, see, this is ranging. If I could get a quick pull in, like save this, you get a quick shot and then come up to here with a nice 1.7. Like, but we're gonna see. So let's see how it looks. Like this. This is a good one right here. But there's a lot of fake out. So like you could have entered, you would have lost there. I think Tree will work the best for this one. That's why I meant EI will work the best. That's why I'm really testing this. I just want more EI setups, low key. I'm not really caring for Tree as much. Like this, I'll take that. I'll take that. Boom. That's a loss. I put a W. So that's 2 losses. So boom, 2 losses. Look how it goes up now, you see? Because it's in a range of motion. I'll probably leave this alone low key. Like I'll probably just stop. Boom, boom. It comes up. Oh man, let's see. That's tough. Would you take? I don't know if I take this. You could. Okay. That's tough. Because the ranging, you can take it. Low key, I take ranging off this. So if you want to take that, fine. But I don't know. Like that's why you just got to take anything like this. Let me see. I don't know. Like the bars, I'm trying to take this. I would have took these two. So boom. So boom. If you come back up, doesn't come. That's a nice breakout. So you can say it's a 1.7. Right. Let's see. It's a 1 point. It's a nice 1.7. Right here. Oh, shit, it ain't even a 1.7 yet. Okay, so it hits a 1.7. Boom. So yeah. We just gonna count it all as 1.7 because sometimes you can't answer early and get the nice 2 point, but I'm not too sure. that might be an entry. Like this could be an entry. I ain't gonna lie. If you would take it like this is an entry low key. Because look, it's not really breaking nothing. Come here, wicks, wicks, wick. I'm not gonna count it as an entry for purpose sakes, but it is an entry. I don't know if I like tree too much on this, but gold tree and then US 30 tree is way different. That's why I was trying to say EU, like see how the Forex pairs do. But I'm really trying to be realistic on this dude. So I'm not gonna say I took that. But if we said we taking shit, we probably would have lost like a couple more times. Like let's go back to 530. So 530, let's see. Boom, 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 the buy up. Yeah, you lose. Buy up again, lose. So buy up, boom, lose. Don't take this one. Comes down. Comes down. You probably don't take this because it's not high enough. Comes up, take this one. Okay, one. You might could take this one, but we're not gonna count it. We're gonna count like fair shit. Like we really want y'all to do fair shit this whole month. This whole month we just doing fair shit. So if it just don't make sense, like this, I can't really, not really nothing to take. Like this, I take like this. I take this one, but it's over. So all right, let's go to tree. So tree, if it is, we'll take that. And that's why I don't like tree. I think the one would have been good because look how it goes. It hits here. As soon as it hit this 101, it just fly up. So I don't like tree as much for this. I think the EI will go crazy though. Like this. All right, let's see. It's dropping, boom. That's a nice I just don't like the EI for this. I know tree will go crazy though. So boom. I'll like let's see. Like low key, I'll answer that. I would have answered that. Because look, I'm not taking I would have answered this low key. Hell yeah, because it's not really breaking. 5, yeah. Into that tree. Well, I don't know. So tree. That's another one. Boom. Oh, let's see. Let's delete this. I could really just eyeball this shit. It's just I don't know why I'm doing this. All right, you wouldn't take that because it went down. So boom. I don't know why I can't. I just eyeball this shit. So boom. Probably take a tree setup. A tree never works here. If it comes up, I probably wouldn't take this tree. Let it come back up. Doesn't come back up. All right, it comes back up. Boom. Let this come back up. Low key, I probably would enter because if it comes here, I'm not really. I am still kind of afraid it might drop, but that's the RC take. And I don't really like the EI for this one, but we can test the EI. I don't really like the EI. I wish we had a smaller one. Like that's too fucking. That's too fucking crazy right there. Like boom. You know what? I'm gonna count that EI. We going. We're gonna count it. If we get one more two reds, boom. Alright, it dropped hard. Maybe it was news, I think. Just gonna speed the process up. Boom. It's showing us sell, so we a sell. But now it's kind of showing us buys again. See how the buys looking. Uh, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Would I take this low key? If I seen this, I probably would. It ain't even hit. So if it you know what? If it hit at stop loss, I kind of as a damn. So boom, 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 boom. You know what? Let's see. I like how this one look. Mm, but we're in this one, so boom. It's kind of a tree purpose. Who is this? I said it was a tree. Yeah. So boom, tree. I'm trying to I'm trying to see something. You really gotta enter small trees with this shit. I'm really trying to see where is the EI. So boom, boom. Let's see. I'm trying to see something. So boom. So smack, smack, smack. From here. Maybe too far. Okay. So it's not really an EI, so you just got one EI for so far. Boom, boom. That's one right there. See if it works. I don't know if it does. I don't think this is this a boom. Not that it's a. Like I said, I don't really like this too much. But we could try. I don't like this. This shit look nasty now. Yeah, it's starting to look nasty. Yeah, yeah, I'm not taking none of these shits. This shit's starting to look nasty. Yeah, I'm not taking. Let's see. The boom L. All right, so yeah, this shit was trash. I'm thinking EI could kill off this one, but this shit was trash. 1.7. I think that's 3.4. How 1.7 times 2, 3.4, take away 4. It's negative 0.6, negative 0.06, negative 6%. What would this be? 1. I think this would be 1.4. 7 times 2. Yeah, I just don't. First day, it looks nasty, but we gonna try. This is GJ, so we just calculating stats. This is GJ. We gotta see who was up. Maybe take all the ones out. So 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Maybe. Let's try EU. Damn, I might want to just try all 4, but I could really speed through it quicker. But there ain't no one in here. I could speed through this bit. Oh man, I can't copy and paste. So text 6 2 25 EI 3 point plus plus 3.3 RR WL MBS UPS 2 shot 730 530 730 2 shot 2 shot 1.7. Oh my gosh. Plus 1.7 RR. I don't know. One day, maybe I'm something is telling me I'm gonna do all 4, but I know one day I'm gonna just cancel a bitch. So I'm gonna have to. I could really speak because this is 20 minutes. I used to explain it too much, so I could really just. Now I think that's what I might have to do. I could still make the same 1 hour time if I could just test more strategies. And maybe I have to. Maybe I even test gold and things even better shots. Statistically test it better. I don't really need to measure. Like, come on, why grab the shit? So he was going crazy. Early answer right there. Maybe. I don't know. It is a good answer. I do like this entry though. Let me see. What was your answer from? Yeah, let's just say we answer. Yeah. Boom. L. L. Let's see another one. One to push up. L. Let's say two L's. Two L's. So answer. I don't know. So two L's. That three. All right. So 1 and 3. God damn! It's like I can't see shit. So 3. Push up. Let it come down. I probably would enter. No entry is formed against us. Oh, boom, it's following trend. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we'll enter that. No entry is formed against us. As you can see, this is very trendy though. I can see, look, boom, boom. I like this. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. Cause look, what was he trying to do? Buy, it didn't work here. Okay, buy here, it didn't work here. All right, you go to sell. Boom, sell. Boom, you sell here. Okay, it worked. Maybe it's too high, but it still hits. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like this at all. It hits, but if you want to enter that shit, you can, but that shit looks nasty. That shit looks nasty. Bro, I don't want to count this. Cause what I, no, I'm counting, bro. I might have took it. I don't know. Like, all right, if that, like this. Like this is why I don't like counting shit like this because I probably would have took something like this. Nah, it never. All right, it never happened. So no, I won't take that. If this was a blue one, you would have took that. So boom, boom, boom. It's still selling. I see one L. That's it. An L. Two L. Yeah. So two L's. Now let's see tree now. Going back up in the upward direction. See if we can buy. It doesn't go. Boom. It starts to sell. Boom. Let's see. Does it hit the 50? Does it hit that 50? I don't know. It's exactly on the. Oh yeah, it hits that 50. And if you, that's not for that. It does hit that 50. So, you could say, oh, let's see on there. I don't know if I took this. But I probably wouldn't take this one, but let's get some blue ones. Yeah, I'll probably with Uzi. Boom. I don't like that. I think it's gonna start going up. I probably won't take it. Up. Once I seen this come back up and break price, I don't think it's gonna come. So, but I am starting to see a pattern. I like how that looks. All right, it's low. It's low. Let's see what price does. If it just, we gotta see. All right, it breaks back down. Boom, boom, boom. Could really see a EI being formed, and this is not a lot of good trades here. So yeah, that was the only trade he took so far. Any other trade? Because we would have sold for this. Well, not. Yeah, we would have sold. Came up. I wouldn't have sold this shit because it came up again, and then came up. Boom, boom, boom. Mm. Yeah, I'll start looking for some bars, especially if it doesn't break. So boom. Yeah, you can enter EI. It's tough, but you can enter the EI. Let's see. Boom, it loses. The EI loses. All right, that's a tree. You enter that. You lose. Probably another tree. Boom, you enter that. You lose again. Another tree. You enter. Boom, boom, boom. Then it breaks out. All right, boom. So one, two, three. You enter the EI. You lose. And this is an EI too. So one, two, three ish. Comes here, wakes up. Never really forms one though. I said we lose that one too. So tree comes back down. Nothing to really answer, to be honest. It's not really trendy. Boom. You probably can answer that. For the, I don't know if that is 50. Probably don't. But if it do, we can see. If 50, that's a L. If it's 50, that's a L. Boom, boom, boom. You probably can answer this, but uh, let's see this. Let's see how EL, if it EL is formed against us. We might even lose. It's like, sure, why not? You can take that. Let's see. I'm gonna have to see how much points this is. Price data. This is too small. So EU might be too small because taking some shit like that. Let's see GJ. All right, this is kind of clean. Let's say we take it. We take this. Fuck it. Boom. Boom. We lose. We take that one again. We probably. Alright, it's starting to show us sales though. So boom, 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 we lose. Take that. Let's see. One L. All right, rather than trend. One L. Let's see what this do. Don't tell me this loses. One L. Two L. God damn. I don't think. Sorry. Damn, this shit ain't doing too good. Damn. I'd say, that's why I like that 30-30. The 30 always look clean. This is some new shit I'm trying to Forex experience, but I don't know. It ain't looking that good. But it's always good to test, man. If you don't test, man, you'll never know. This like, damn, this shit just not looking good. Let's see. Let's see. Well, I probably have took that one. Take this, boom. You follow the trend down. God damn. It's just not, this shit just not working. Whoa, I don't know. It's probably just not meant for this. It's probably not meant for this. God damn. Okay. Cause even here, we would have lost. Here, shit. Here, you would have won this one, but you was already in one, so I'm not gonna count it. Let's see. Probably took this one, lost again. God damn. Yeah, I'll tell you, I could have. God damn, I don't wanna. I never went this bad ever. This is embarrassing. Yeah, I gotta go back to. I ain't gonna go back to gold. Like I said, I'm in the testing phase of new pairs, but gold to US 30, this shit worked wonders. But it worked wonders all last year. But let's see 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute look like. All right, I see why it's kind of in a nasty because it's looking a little nasty. I ain't gonna lie, it's looking a little rangy. Like price don't really know where it's going, so I understand why it's like losing like this. But this is my first time trading these pairs, and it's just not looking good. Let's see what can this one win. I would have took this one. I would have took it. Got that 3 candle strike. Follow the trend. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. Come on. Let's win one at least. What time is it? All right, it's about 3:40. I probably this would have been my last. So we won a one. Fuck. That's embarrassing. I ain't even see. Let's see if we can go back and find EIs. So 1, 2, 3. Nope. Couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe that. All right, testing. All right, now it works. Okay, now it works. Oh my gosh. I sometimes it might just be going out. It's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate it though. Woo. So boom, that was this is some horrible stats though. I don't know. This is some horrible stats. So negative 1%. Gotta be realistic with y'all. So everything is just negative for this. Everything. But the only way you know you're profitable if you really take realistic setups or trades you would take. Scalping, I'd say people scalping, it's kind of the same. Oh, you can just have an advantage. But this I usually do gold and US 30, and I never seen nothing like this ever out of that whole month of doing this setups. I never seen nothing like this. So 1.7 times 2, take away 4%. That would have been a negative. You'd have been negative profit off this too. This would have been negative profit in this tree setup. Oh my gosh, you'd have been super negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So 1.7. So 8. Let's take away 8. Take away 1.7. You'd have been negative 6%. God, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Out of all month I've been trading this, I never went this bad on this Forex Fair. Is disgusting. Because look, I got every stat from this last month of what I took or what is possibly to take. I never went that bad with this setup. And I don't get a lot of negatives on 30 either. You get 2%, 2%. I got the whole percent. I gained a total of 150%. So I wrote it down. As y'all can see, this is the percent. Where is it at? You would have gained, if you took all these setups, you would have gained 151% of all the scalping strategy. So it was profitable, but so I was trying to try it on Forex pairs. But to be honest, I really think the market was just trash. I'm not even trying to be funny. I really think the market won't good today for this scalper. Nah, it looked good for Euro. I ain't gonna lie. But I never traded Forex, but I just did 30 and GJ. I thought GJ would be good for 3-to-1 RRs. That's why I kind of tried GJ, and I said, let me try another Forex pair and pick EU. But like, look, we go 49, 4.9, negative 1, 6.7, 5.8, 2. I never had a straight negative day. That is crazy. But like I said, I passed step 1 with just scalping. If you scalp, I like scalping. People like it's not. I think it's very profitable, and you can pass challenge quicker because I want to take 10 setups. I'm sorry. It's not realistic to get 10%. Fucking long trading. It just doesn't work that way. Like, you can make it. It's going to take a long time. But if you can take about 11, 10 setups, you get me, and go 5 for 5 with a 1.7 RR or a 3 RR, and you could go 5 for 5, and you trade everyone like at a 0.25% risk or a 0.50 risk. So I trade everyone of the prop firm challenges at a 0.25%. So if I got a 50K account, I'm trading 125 loss, 125 loss, 125 loss. But if I win 190 or a 3 to R11. It's a 125. It's probably about 125, 250, 275. It's probably 375. 375 I win or I lose 125. Or if it's a 1.7 R, it'd probably be like 210 and I lose 125. And I'm 6 for 6. Overall, you would gain about 1 to 2% a day. So that's why I tell people, if you can scout and you can scalp a lot, boom, boom, boom. With a good RR, I don't like 101s. 101 is very like stupid to me. I'm not taking a 101. 101 is like, and then 101s, the broker got to take his cut, so it ain't really a 101. It's like a 0.8 or a 1. But I'm gonna drop a video tonight explaining the strategy and how profitable it was all last month, gaining 150%. So you would have doubled your account. Yeah, one-on-one is not profitable. I've been doing trading for years and it's just not profitable. I don't know how anyone could do that. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. In all honesty, it don't make sense. People like one-on-ones that hit. I don't, bro. I got a 3-to-1 RR profit. And I was what last month? I wrote all my stats down. I went 27 and 31 and gained 46% from that. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's amazing. I've been studying it. I've been taking notes on it every day. I go live every Monday through Thursday. So I've been taking, oh, you see all of this? All of this is what I take every day. I appreciate it, random YouTuber. That's a cool name, okay. I would have took that name. I got another channel. I call it the numbers guy, but because I like numbers. So I took everyone, and it's profitable. I never went so bad on GJ or EU, but every setup, I passed 2 steps. But one of the prop firms talking about I was over leveraging. I passed the over leveraging rule, so I stopped trading with them. And then I went to E8 prop firm. So I just want to show y'all I could beat it. Yeah, I gave trading a break for a long time, and then I came back to it and said I'm ready to pass prop firms. I passed the prop firm like 2 years ago. I didn't really trade like that all last year. I invested. I made some money off investing, but I ain't day trade. So US 30. Let's go. We can trade. I'm gonna do the US 30. All right, let's go. So 530. So we start from 530. So I start from 530. I'm gonna drop a video on how to actually trade this. Usually I just take stats for this one, to be honest. In all honesty, I just take stats. I'm also using a referential account I got funded 3 years ago. The Facebook account. Oh, you got if you at 2,500, what I tell you to do, just get that payout in. Cause what if I don't know what type of account you got in? I think you have a 50 or 100K. So if you got a 50K, that's 5%. If you got a 100K, that's 2.5%. I stop. Just stop because they take 80%. Because you say you up 2,500, they take 80%. You get 2,000 taxes, 1,700. You get 1,700. I just stop. Oh, it's a 2,500 account. Oh, that's tough. I only do 50Ks, or I did. Yeah, no. That's pretty cool. That's it. Like if you want to test it, you ain't got that money. You gotta test the strategy. Because I tested the strategy on the 10K account, and then I'm on a 50K account right now. I'm on step 2. Nah, that's good then. As long as you testing your strategy, like if you were just testing, fine, but buy the cheap account. But if you want to make some money, I say at least go for the 50. And then once I pass this, I probably buy one more funded and then just start funding my own trading account. But nah, that's pretty cool though. Hey, I'm glad you passed. A lot of people don't pass. I passed the prop firm 2 times. Out of what? Out of like 10. I would suggest like to make profitable money because you're 2,500. Even if you make a percent of that, what is a percent of 2,500? 2,500 is what 25? It's $25 for 1%. That's not gonna, and they take 80, 20. That's only like $20. I say if you ain't really got the money like that, I'm gonna tell the honest truth. I try to 50, not 52, 20K account because you can make 22% off that. That's 400. and you can make 300 at least every 14 days if you can make. Let's see what. So if I make 500, that's a lot for me. Oh, okay. So yeah, I say 20K account. I try 20K account if I was you. I'll do the 20K, and hey, that junk gonna work wonders, bro. I'm telling you, it's gonna work wonders because you can make 2% on a 20K account. That's $400. They take your 20% cut. That's 300, and you got $300 every 14 days or month, depending on the prop firm you signed up with. But yeah, I'm glad you passed, my boy. Man, a lot of people don't pass these challenges. I passed 2 in a previous time, but I think I got 1 payout. But that was the one they closed down my Forex funds, of course. But yeah, do a 20K. I said that's good money for you. Now I'ma just I just like scalping. So boom. All right, look at this. So the strategy works. You just follow the trend. If it goes back up above the 50, never goes back up, you never take it. Boom. You can still though. You might can still take this because it's all red candles. I don't really like it. I probably wouldn't, but if we lose, we lose. All right, that's an L. Hold on. Let's clone this. All right, let me go take these stats. No. 6, 2. I think I went 3-1 today off this. Gained 1.4%. Trading 0.25 every trade. Trade Locker is so amazing. I'm glad a lot of people sleep on Trade Locker. The app. Trade Locker, the app is so good. It's so good. So that we already lost 1. Trade Locker, the app is good because it takes all your risk for you. Like my stop loss is 0.25. Just put in 0.25 and it calculate it for you. I love Trade Locker. Trade Locker is better than almost anything I use, any app I use. Till it hit TP or take profit. I don't get out. I just let it hit TP or take. I don't care to get out. I don't care to take profit. I don't care to take percentages because it's scalping. So if I enter here, so this is my I have 2 setups. One setup is a 1.7 RR or higher. So it's usually like this 1.7, and then the next setup is it's a 3 it's a 3.3. So the next setup is a 3.3. This is how it usually look. The next setup is a 3.3. So from right here to right here. So these are my 2 setups. I call this one an EI. When you wait, I'm gonna make a video on this, of course. I call this one my EI is a 3.RR. All last month, like I said, hit 47%. That's crazy. I almost hit 50% off a 3.3 or higher. That's crazy. So every time I win $300, every time I lose $100, and it's really $330. Sometimes I get 4 RRs. You know, look, they say 3.6, and then this one is a 1.7. This one, I love this one. It just don't happen as much. This one, it happens very often. So you could just this happens 20 times a day, and it happens at a 50% clip. Yeah, I use this on the 1 minute, and usually people like the 1 minute is consistent. That's why every day I've been taking my stats. I take stats to see how consistent it is, and it is for the whole month. It gained 150%. So I can't really say. I want to keep taking more stats because 1 month ain't stuff. Sometimes 6 months is. I'm a numbers guy. I really got to see if this works. So I take stats every day. Every day I go live and I just take stats. Monday through Thursday, I go live around 7 through 9. Go live, see this is the one I took today. So like look, I took 3 setups today or 4 setups. And I went 3 for 1, gaining 1.3. So uh man, I don't want to cancel my replay. I would have showed you what I took today. So those are my 2 setups. I'm gonna be dropping a YouTube video tomorrow explaining the strategy like in depth. Live, I just take stats. But this strategy is crazy. Because I don't like long-term strategy. I just buy dips. Like if I want to invest, just buy a dip. You know, it ain't no point. I've been in the market for too long to just be like trying to figure out our setups. I'm gonna just buy the dip to be in all honesty. So look, it goes up. If it's in a downtrend, it is crazy. I even asked Chat GBT. They said this. They said it was insane. I asked Chat GBT. I'm gonna drop the video. Hey, tune into the video tomorrow. I'm gonna actually explain it. I can't really explain it today on live because this is stat taking time. You know, I'm gonna explain how the strategy works and a percentage of my So boom. So look, like right here, you lose. Hey, I appreciate it. So boom, you lose. I can just look and see when I lose. So boom, you lose. All right. With a 1 right here, boom, you win. Right here. So boom, you win. So you enter from here. This is just a simple. Yeah, I appreciate the love, man. So this is just a simple. You enter from here. The TP is here. It didn't win yet, but most likely it'll win. Boom, it wins. So boom. That's a nice 1.9 ratio. Bro, because how much setups you would be surprised you can catch last month. I wrote the total number today, and which is whoo, in all totals of this scalping strategy, you probably could have caught 80, 240, 280. You could have caught 305 setups, 350 setups of the whole month. I'm just saying, and it wins. The win rate my 530 to 7, it wins at a 60% rate with a 1 RR. My tree setup, it wins 50% of the time. And the EI, which is a 3 to 1 RR, it wins 46% of the time. I wrote it all down today. I'll be dropping a video on it. But it works very good. I was actually shocked how good it works. So boom. This is an L, but let's see a L. So 2 L's and 1 W. Like I said, sometimes you just take a L. The thing is, people don't like showing their L's, but I don't really care. If you don't show your L's, you will never get better. So boom. So 30. Boom. Now we waiting for setups. We wait. I usually do it when it retraces. So I'm trying to show you. So boom. Let's just say it retrace here. All the candles got to be the same color in my eyes. It's just how I invented the strategy. It has to be in an uptrend, as you can see, it's going upwards. It's going upwards. It's really ranging, to be honest. In all honesty, you could take it either or when it's ranging, but and upwards. When it's ranging, it's in the middle. You guys, you can see. Oh, look, red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle. Usually I do it after 3 red candles in a row. So it doesn't hit 50 on my third one, I go down more. It doesn't hit 50 on my fourth one, I go down more. It doesn't hit 50. It still doesn't hit 0.5 on my third one. Look, I go down more. If it keeps going down, look, okay, boom. Okay, you see all the red candles. I don't enter unless it passed the 0.5. Once it passed the 0.5, I enter. I might enter a little like right here. Enter. So once I see 3 red candles, that's my time to pull out the fib and start the measuring. I got the opportunity to scalp every day. I don't really work a job. I have to be locked in and work all day. You know, I do my job and I still trade at the same time. So that's why I invented the 1 minute, because I have time to look at my phone and get in opportunities like this. I went 3 for 1. So you get here, as you can see, it's a 2 to 1. Boom. Let's see. And then bam. Look, it hits, but it does drop, but it does hit its TP, which is a W. It's a W. So boom. Did I see any other trees? So this is our first tree. It hits 3 candles. Doesn't hit the 50 yet. Doesn't hit the 50. Once it hits this 50, you enter, and then TP 2R11, and then you get your profit. So boom, news was around this time. So bam, and that's how it works. Boom, boom, boom. Like you see, I don't see no 3. You got to see 3. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 3. Once you see 3, the third one, it never hits 50 yet. This is in real time, because some people would just put it anywhere. No, real time. It doesn't hit 50 yet. I'll tell you when I lose. All right, it pulls back here. Okay, boom. Doesn't hit 50. Doesn't hit 50. It still doesn't hit. All right, now you pull it back up. Still doesn't hit 50. It's not hitting 50. Not hitting 50. It's 50. Boom. Bam. It probably loses, because the stop loss here. Yeah, it loses. Boom. You lose. Okay, fine. You lose. When did I enter? Let me see. I entered somewhere around here too. Well, no, I didn't. So boom. It lose. That's another one. So now let's see if we can find another one. So boom, it's still in a sell opposition. Never hits the 50, so you cancel it. That's it. That's all it is. Just cancel. So boom, boom, boom. Now I'm switching sides because I'm seeing upwards trend. So you see an upwards trend. It really could have just been a breakout and come back up. So all red, boom. As you can see, up, high highs, low, low, high highs, low, low, high highs, low, low. Boom. I just follow trend. Boom. Bam. Bam. I don't exit. If it doesn't hit, it just doesn't hit. And that's a W. So boom. You'd have been up. Been in 2, so 2 for 1. Another one hits too. Crazy. If you missed that one, look at this. Look at this, my man. Look. Boom. Enter here. 1, 2, 3. Hits the 50. Comes down. You could have another opportunity to enter. Hits the 1.4. That's another one. So that's another tree we could have entered. I think I entered one of these trees. I don't know which one it was. All right. I entered one over here, and it was a 2 to 2. But yeah, that's how you use the strategy. So right now, like I said, it's very popular on 30 and gold. I don't know about. I was trying to try Forex pairs, but we're gonna still test it. The only way you're gonna know if you keep testing anything. So boom, it's in a trending vote. I would take this, but it's too damn small. It's not. It's small. It's too small. I wouldn't take this. Like, look at it. It's so small. I would also use. I won't. For gold, that's where the 3-to-1 RR works best. For 30, what I noticed, the 1.7 works better for 30. But for gold, the EI, which we never see yet, I'm gonna show you the EI. The EI doesn't happen very often. It happens more in gold than 30, but so the EI is boom, boom. It hits a price and it's still above the trend, and then you enter the 3-to-1. So boom, you don't enter here because it's too small. It's just very small. Like stuff that's very small, like okay, boom, you can enter here. You can enter here. So boom. Let's see if it hits a 50. Never hits 50. See, it never hits 50, you never enter. That's all it is. Never hits 50, never enter. Uh Realistically, you can enter this. I wouldn't, because it's probably price probably tell me it wants to drop a little more. So let's price drop a little more. Okay, price dropped a little more. I probably will enter this one low key. Boom. It hits 50. Boom. You see how easy it is? Oh my gosh, it works so good. Because I've been testing it for so long. So that's 4 for 1. Like I said, but if like I'm gonna tell the honest truth, say you do enter this. Let's say 2 for. I don't even care. Let's just say 4 for 2, because look, if you just want to enter randomly, sure, why not? You enter here, you hit the 50, it doesn't work, you lose. So we're 4 for 2, but the 4 for 2 is 1.7. So none of that 1-to-1 R. I don't like 1-to-1 R's. So, and then the crazy thing is, it can be a, you probably could. I never, don't ever, ever, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Don't ever enter this strategy late. If it passes, like sometimes I miss so much opportunities because it'll wick up. Like, don't ever try to enter that like right here. Don't do that because it's a 1 minute time frame. So I will always enter late. Like even if I don't enter off the at the 50, I will enter below the 50. Like I could enter like this right here. Then look at the RR. It's better. A 2.5. Like if you don't enter off exactly at the 0.5 or a little lower, don't enter. Don't never enter above the 0.5 because it ain't a 1.7 no more. It's like a 1.4. That's why I set alerts too. So boom, that's 2 for 4. 2 for 4, you'd have been up 3.4, 6.8, take away 2. You'd have been up 4% if you trade 1% every time you trade this. I never trade 1%, but that's just me. So I'm about to show you what the EI is, because the EI is showing against us. So an EI is where price hits the same spot repetitively, the same support and resistance repetitively. So EI, it starts here, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, into somewhere around here. So this is what it's keep hitting here. Boom, boom, boom. It doesn't want to break. Okay, it's telling me it doesn't want to break. I'm taking tree out the system. If it's telling me like this, it doesn't want to break, I'm showing you EI. This is what's going to happen. Let it come up first. EI never happens. I told you, EI doesn't happen very often. But if it doesn't want to break, I wanted to show you an EI, but it never happens. Boom, boom, boom. It never happened. So we just move on. We won't take no trees. I won't take nothing if I see an ER. So that's just how my mindset is. Yeah, I'm telling you, the strategy is crazy. So boom, you see another. Now you see another tree. Low key, I probably wouldn't enter no buys. Did I? I might have did. Okay, I entered a buy here. Yeah. Yeah, because boom, 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 boom. I won one though, right? I won this one. I didn't lose on 30. I don't like how I drew this. I could look at the it was a 2 to 1 too. I'm trying to see where I entered at. Maybe I don't. Where did I enter at? I don't know. So boom, boom, boom. I probably wouldn't enter no spy, but I feel like I, because it's such a downtrend. I wouldn't enter nothing. I'll wait till it come back up. So like boom, it's starting to come back up. I think I did enter here though. So boom, I enter a sell though. This is a good sell. I enter. Don't enter the buy because it's not going up. Like you see, look, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. But I entered the tree because it seemed like it didn't want to break. It seemed like it didn't want to break, but it did work for the down. It didn't want to break. Goes up, breaks higher highs, comes here, doesn't work. It doesn't work. So we move on. Now for tree, boom, it hits here, comes out, hits our TP. That's what. That's another one. So that's 5 for 2. Boom. Boom. Once it drops hard, I usually never enter. Just wait. Just wait. Boom, boom, boom. I will wait. Boom. Now I enter. No, wouldn't enter now. But boom, boom, boom. Yes, yes. All right. Let it. You know what? I enter this and I'll lose. I ain't gonna lie. I would have entered this. Would have entered here. I don't really like entering stuff like this, but knowing me, sometimes I probably would have entered. Nice little wick and then lose because it's showing me down and then lose. Boom. I lose. So go right at L. I'm just showing every setup. You want to take this one because it never hits 50 and it breaks above. So 5 for 3. Boom. You see it's going back upwards. So we trade it upwards. So boom. Once it comes upwards, you get here. You get here. Hits here. That's a nice one. That's nice setup. Nice, bro. I'm telling you, this is crazy. Sometimes I be want to show the world, but the world they don't want to spread the craziness. But I'm trying to study more so I can really show how profitable it is. We'll enter here, see if it wins. It loses. Boom, it loses. Maybe it loses. I don't know. Yeah, it loses. So boom, lose one. Damn, no EI was formed? I'm surprised no EI was formed against us. So one right here, get that. Another one right there. We gotta make sure we don't miss none though. I said we lose this one, yo. This is too small, wouldn't take that. This is too small, wouldn't take that. When it's very small, you don't take it. Like bare minimum. What's this? It's 330. I stopped this at 4 too. 4, I'm not looking for more setup. EI, it's an EI forming against us. So boom, you enter here. Probably wish. losers. Boom. Boom. L. So L. L again. So 2L. So what time is it? It's 4. So, in all honesty, look how crazy it is. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for 6. But look at the percentage. And usually it does go 50%. Like I said, this is a 50% strategy. So 1.7 times 7, take away 6. You would have gained 5.9%. 5.9% total profit. For this one, probably would have lost 1.7 times 2, take away 4 equals negative 0.6%. So you'd have been lost this one in the morning. Usually the morning one is more profitable than the evening time, and then this one doesn't happen. So yes, I'm shocked that this one don't happen. It was 0%. And yeah, that's it. Did I do third? I didn't do gold. Ooh, I might do gold on my spare time, but yeah, that's all I got for today. Cause I just did a game. Did a game 5% basically. Really cut it in half. 1% on US 30 today because I trade 0.5, so you'd have gained 1% by taking all these setups. So yeah, like today, I can show you what I did today now. Don't tell me whoa, don't. That's why. Oh my God. Don't tell me I did a day. I already did. This is, oh my God. Hey, I can see if I'm lying or not. Oh my God. I already did this day. Oh wow. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. I did this day. Okay. You know what? I'm proud of myself because I got the same damn results. I've seen 2 EIs. That's fucking crazy. So I might have been speeding through this because. So I wrote the same data. Oh my gosh. But I had 2 EIs instead of one. I got one more L. So we'd have caught another L. And this is the same thing. One more L for this. So I'll put really one more L and 2 more W's. So we really would have gained. Ooh. So I missed 2 L's and 2 W's. So I just missed it. I'm surprised. I'm mad I didn't get 100%. But if I go back, I'll probably see what I did wrong. But I'm glad it's in the same ballpark. Like sometimes I'm glad it's in the same ballpark. Like I really didn't miss nothing. So look, so I got negative 1.6. This is the same stats, really. So I missed one, I missed two, and I missed two. I'm upset with myself, man. At least it's the same, but dang, I did the wrong day. I really did the wrong day. Because today seemed like it was more profitable than today. Oh my gosh. I might be done. Oh man. That's tough. I did the wrong day. But the only thing I'm glad about is I got the same amount right. That's the only thing I get. I'm glad I did that. I'm kind of glad because the only thing I didn't have was the EI. Fine. Sometimes I'm surprised I didn't get the EI, but dang, I really wrote the wrong day. Oh man. Oh, I can't go back too far. So Whew. I gotta hurry up and end this live because I gotta start a video. I'll try to do a video for the stats of the last month. But I'm gonna do this. I'll probably do this off camera. I ain't gonna lie. Or I'll probably just speed through this. I'm shocked. Bro, I'm really. It's like I'm glad I did that because it's like sometimes you could just be like, that's why I'd be like, I want to tell the truth. I want to tell the truth. Sometimes you back test and see if you did the same data. Yes, I missed it by 2 L's, but I missed 2 W's too. So it's like, and I missed 2 major W's. I'm shocked, bro. I'm really shocked. But hey man, I appreciate all the likes and comments. The random YouTuber, I really appreciate it. I probably go live tomorrow. And yeah, man, thanks y'all for the likes, the comments, the shares, man, the subs. Video dropping probably tomorrow. Then I gotta drop on my other channel, so I'll be busy a lot writing scripts for my other channel. I have to write all the statistics for this month. And I'm about to pass the prop firm challenge, so I'll probably drop a video on that too when I pass. So peace. And if y'all want to come, like up, come. Hey, yeah, I appreciate it, random YouTuber. I'll be going live around 7 to 9. I don't know when. Every day I usually go Monday through Thursday. But peace.